Today's video is on lighting up my cold storage bay. So previously on Nice Junk, I turned around and I found a solution that took 3D cell batteries. It was only 1500 lumens. That light's good for not falling and killing yourself, but not good enough for backing in. So I bought this light, supposed to be 7,000 lumens. And the reason I bought a portable light instead of a fixed light is because our cold Alberta winters, lithium batteries do not like them. So if I left a built-in solution with lithium batteries, they would just die. And they still wouldn't have any light. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that out. So it's just a plain box, no branding. Right here on this SKU here, it's Wallally. I hope I'm saying that right. She's made in China. You know it's got to be quality. Okay, first of all, bubbles. That's satisfying. That was worth the money right there. Anyways, it's got a cute little handle, 16 LEDs. That was satisfying too. I love tearing that stuff off. Anyways, 16 LEDs, fully adjustable. She's got a reset switch, or I don't know, and an on and off switch. We've got some instructions. Anyways, I've got one of the cheap Chinese knockoff Milwaukee batteries. And let's see. Make sure it's on the off position so I don't blind myself. Now let's turn this thing on. Well, that's not working. Oop. Let's try this. Ooh. Dim. Brighter. I don't know. What do you guys think? And I don't understand. What's this thing for? It disconnects the power. There's another little switch here that just disconnects power. So it's got two off switches. See right here? There's an off switch there. And then your typical rocker. Let's try this out. So normally I would test this in the cold bay, but with the snowstorm going on and minus 185, I just decided, let's test it in here. Okay. Well, it's a good spotlight. Would be good for working on vehicles, but I don't think this is the solution yet, because this bay is about the same depth, but a little wider. So if it would have worked in here, it would have worked over there. I'm not really that happy with this. It's not bright enough, but it would be great for working under a vehicle. I don't know. And then the low is really low. This is a 6 amp hour battery. This was a fully charged battery, and she didn't use any power, or not enough for one thing. This would come in handy for on the side of the road. You need a nice floodlight, you know, change a tire or hook up a trailer. But as my cold bay solution, nada. But I'm definitely going to keep this. It's going to be good for working under cars or a really dark situation, even for camping, right? You need to go to the potty, makes a nice little lantern. Anyways, if you guys want one of these, I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was $28.95. Anyways, there's a link down in the description. If you guys want one of these, it's a good solid light. It feels like it's reasonable quality. It does light up, but like I say, it doesn't solve my problem, but it solves a whole bunch of other problems. A nice portable light for roadside emergencies or going to the bathroom. Anyways, tomorrow I have a huge announcement, and it'll be in tomorrow's scrap video. So make sure to catch that. Make sure to catch the first episode of my high bay problem. Thank you all, and that was some nice junk.